everyone. Haven't done a video in a while, but I thought I would do a reaction video to kimchi. Haven't ever tried it. It's probiotic, supposed to be really good for you. Raw, fermented, vegan, gluten-free, kimchi, Korean style, wild brine. So all my life, never had kimchi. Pretty amazing. So I'm gonna open this up here. Give it a try. I'll give you my honest opinion. I have trained myself to like stuff that's good for me. So, first of all, I will smell it. Okay, kind of smells like a salsa. So, like a, I don't know. Yeah, some kind of salsa. So, I'm just gonna get some here, put it on my plate here. Oh, there's the plate. There's the plate. Hold on. Hold on. My camera setup is not the greatest. Okay, anyway. So I'm gonna be putting some on my plate here. And just try a couple spoonfuls. All right. Actually smells pretty decent, so. Okay. Okay. So, pickles. It's definitely got like a briny pickle taste. And this one's got some tang that kind of hits you in the back of the throat. The flavor with the briny taste. I gotta say, mostly just tastes briny. Like pickle flavor, kind of. This has got a little bit, this has got some heat to it. Overall, I would say it's like eating a spicy pickle. And the texture is a little bit different from a pickle, but because there's different stuff in here. But yeah, I would say not bad. It's supposed to be good, really good for you. And yeah, spicy pickle. So that's my honest review on kimchi. Not bad. It's supposed to be really good for you. I might be doing a couple other reviews on just a few things that's supposed to be good for you. So anyway, I would, if this stuff is good for you as it's supposed to be, it's got a little kick to it. I definitely recommend it because it's not like horrible, and I could see putting this on like as a topping or something, maybe on like a Philly cheese steak sandwich or something like that, or hamburger. Putting like, instead of pickles, putting some of this stuff on. That'd probably work. So anyway, that's my honest review and reaction to kimchi. Not bad. And like I said, supposed to be really good for you. So, thanks for watching, everyone. Do not fear the kimchi, I guess is a good title for this video. It's pretty good. Quite tasty. So, thanks for watching. Okay, bye.